In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import transactions by establishing a connection to your bank with QuickBooks Online. Utilizing this feature can significantly streamline your financial tracking process, providing a seamless way to monitor your business expenditures, all in just a few minutes. To get started, the first step is to navigate to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In option to gain access to your account. This might seem straightforward, but making sure you log in properly sets the foundation for everything that follows. Once you're logged in, you'll be given a list of options. From these, make sure to select QuickBooks Online. As with many online services, you will need to enter your credentials next. This step is crucial, so ensure you have the correct username and password for your QuickBooks account before you proceed by clicking Continue. With access to your QuickBooks homepage, focus your attention on the menu and head over to the Transactions tab. This section is the hub for all your financial dealings within QuickBooks, giving you a comprehensive view of your business's financial landscape. Look for the Bank Transactions option and select it. This allows you to see a list of existing transactions and search for specific ones if needed. The next critical step is to begin linking your bank account. Locate and select the Link Account button. Linking your bank account directly to QuickBooks is immensely beneficial because it allows your transactions to automatically import into the software, saving you time and reducing the possibility of errors due to manual entry. When prompted, choose your bank from the list of available institutions. QuickBooks supports a wide range of banks, so you should see your bank listed here. If you don't worry, there are other ways to import transactions that we can cover in another video. However, assuming your bank is listed, give it a click. At this point, you will be required to read and agree to the terms and conditions. It's important to read through these terms to understand what agreeing to them entails. Once you agree, you'll need to sign in with your online banking credentials. This step ensures that QuickBooks can securely access your bank data. Enter your banking username and password and continue by following any prompts your bank provides. After successfully logging into your bank, you will be asked to select the specific account you want to connect. This might be a checking account, savings account, or even a credit card, depending on what your business uses for transactions. The final part of this process involves following the transition steps as provided on screen by either QuickBooks or your bank to establish the connection. After a few moments, this linkage allows transactions to be imported automatically, making QuickBooks a powerful tool for keeping track of your finances with accuracy and ease. And there you have it. You've now connected your bank account to QuickBooks Online and are all set to manage your financial transactions more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.